plodding along level 1. You get the right timing. Bit slow there, got a warning straight away. That's better. Too early again, oh dear me. Out of practice doing this, guys. Not conserving my energy. So there's level 2 just started. So a wee fraction quicker. There we go. Early levels. I'm turning on alternate feet. Just to conserve energy. See if I go on, if I keep that strategy up all the way through. Timing's still a bit off. Start of level 3. Still trying to get my timing right here. Alternate feet for the turns. Try and drive off that first 3 or 4 steps. And then lengthen that stride. And then it becomes a gradual deceleration at the other side. There we go, start level 4. Bit faster again, still doing alternative feet. It's okay for me. Can feel my lungs jumping about. Not so good. Still alternate feet. Start level 5. So 4 shuttles to go. 1. 2. 3, and the last one. And there we go. Level 5.4 of the Bleep Test complete. So, can you do it walking? No way. All these folks that say you can do it walking, like I've said many a time before, they are 100% all at it. You cannot do it walking. Not unless you're a giant and it takes you 2 steps across. I struggled early on with the pacing. It's a bit quick. That's certainly how you can make a bit of a difference. You can conserve a good bit of energy if you can get that pacing right in the first couple of levels. Getting up to level 4 and 5 is probably better for me. It suits my stride length. Beforehand it's a shorter stride length I want to use, and that can sometimes be quite tricky for people as well.